Are you looking for the top 5 best cable testers for network setup? Before buying a cable tester, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about the features, it's about which one actually helps you troubleshoot effectively without wasting time.
Product number 1, Klein Tools Land Scout Jr. Let's kick things off with the Klein Tools VDV 526-200 cable tester, also known as the Land Scout Jr. Priced at $54.99, this device immediately caught my attention with its user-friendly interface and backlit display. If you want a reliable way to test Cat5e and Cat6 cables, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can test both data and POTS cables, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of your network's health. The large backlit LCD display? Perfect for those low-light scenarios when you're under a desk. It detects a range of faults like open, short, and miswire, which means you won't be left guessing what's wrong. Plus, with over 2,000 units sold last month alone, this one seems to be a favorite among users. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high for casual users. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your network setup or do this professionally, the investment pays off quickly through improved efficiency and fewer headaches. This is perfect for you if you're a network technician or a serious DIY enthusiast. Skip this one if you only need to test cables once in a blue moon, as you might find cheaper alternatives that fit your needs. For $54.99, you're getting solid value for a device that delivers. Now, if the price of the Land Scout Jr.
Product number 2, Klein Tools VDV 526100. Next up, we have the Klein Tools VDV 526100, priced at just $27.99. This one caught my eye with its compact design and remote storage feature. If you're looking for an efficient and portable cable tester, this is definitely worth considering. This tester might be compact, but it doesn't skimp on functionality. It tests RJ11, RJ12, and RJ45 cables, making it versatile for different setups. The fast LED indicators give you quick feedback on whether your cables are passing or failing, which is essential when you need to diagnose issues on the fly. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many are opting for this budget-friendly option. Some users noted that it might not have as comprehensive a testing range as higher-end models, but honestly, if you're mainly dealing with voice or data cables in everyday situations, this won't be a deal-breaker for you. It still offers great performance for the price. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tester for occasional home use or small projects. Skip this one if you're a professional who requires detailed fault testing, as you might want something more advanced. At $27.99, it's a great value for general users. Product number 3, Yojoc HT812A. Now, let's talk about the Yojoc HT812A, coming in at an incredibly low price of $9.97. This tester surprised me with its features given the price point. If you're on a tight budget but need reliable cable testing, this is definitely worth a look. This multi-function tester supports both RJ45 and RJ11 cables and is great for quickly identifying wiring issues. The ability to switch between fast and slow modes is a nice touch, allowing you to adapt based on your needs. It's also compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around if you're a network engineer or DIY enthusiast. With over 600 units sold recently, it seems to be a hit among budget-conscious buyers. However, some users mention that it can be less accurate compared to pricier models. Here's my take. While it may not catch every single nuance, for basic testing needs, this little guy does the job just fine. It's a perfect starter tool. This is perfect for you if you need a no-frills tester that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you require highly detailed reports or advanced features. For under $10, the value is hard to beat. Now, if the limited
Product number 4, P-Tech Tool Network Tester. Next up, we have the P-Tech Tool Network Ethernet Cable Tester, priced at $9.89. This one caught my attention with its high-performance chip that promises faster test results. If you're after a reliable budget option that still performs well, this might be your go-to. This device tests RJ11 and RJ45 cables, providing essential verification of your network connections.
The LED display is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone, from professionals to casual users, to understand the results. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, so it's easy to tuck away in your toolkit. People have snapped up over 500 of these recently, indicating it's gaining popularity. However, it's worth noting that the battery isn't included, which some users found inconvenient. But honestly, for the price, it's a small trade-off. Just grab a 9-volt battery and you're good to go. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable tester that covers the basics without fuss. Skip this one if you're after more advanced features or require detailed fault diagnostics. At $9.08.
Product number 5. IMB Price RJ45 Tester. Finally, we have the IMB Price RJ45 Network Cable Tester, priced at $9.99. I was intrigued by its automatic testing feature, which makes it super user-friendly. If you want something that does all the heavy lifting for you without complicating things, this one's worth checking out. This tester automatically runs through all the necessary tests, checking for continuity, shorts, and crossed wire pairs. The visible LED status display is clear and straightforward, making it easy for anyone to operate. It's compatible with various cable types, which adds to its versatility. With over 400 units sold recently, it's clearly appealing to many. A downside some users reported is that it doesn't come with a battery, requiring an extra purchase. But honestly, given the features you get, it's a minor inconvenience. You'll likely want to keep a spare battery handy anyway. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free testing experience that works right out of the box. Skip this one if you need a detailed analysis of your network setup, as this is geared.
So to wrap it all up, we've seen a range of cable testers today. The Klein Tools VDV526-200 is great for professionals needing detailed diagnostics, while the VDV526-100 offers a compact, efficient solution for everyday users. The Yojoc HT812A and P-Tech tool testers are fantastic budget options that get the job done, and the IMB Price tester simplifies the process even further. Each has its strength,